Well, I've spent the last 35 years of my career building, managing, facilitating, nurturing, and sometimes killing networks. And so to find out that there is an actual science around networks is fascinating to me. So I wanted to learn more about it and to see if I could learn some tricks of the trade.
We are part of networks on a lot of different issues that we work on. So we're part of networks here in Colorado in healthcare and higher education and financial security. But I think at nonprofits, a lot of the time, we are used to working in networks and working in collaboration, but never received training on how to do that. So I wanted to take an opportunity to take a step back and learn more about network processes and structure.
Oh my God, a lot. It's amazing to see Danielle and others that are working with her show me what the structure is for using data to help people learn about and practice.
We've got Danielle who's doing her partner tool, the apps for creating networks in communities, and all of us are starting to talk to one another more and more. And so I think over the 5 years we've been doing this, we've been seeing more and more integration, so that we've been learning from each other, so that you see references to other people's work in our own work.
Oh my gosh, I've learned so much. I've learned that what I was trying to do is what she is doing. It's the network leadership and to bring people and problems and partnerships together, try to help people collaborate and solve the problems that we have in what our case study was, the social fabric of the world. Really, it's the education, it's jobs, it's things that people need and the resources and how to bring those both together.
I've learned that far more organizations are networked than I thought, that the science of networking is deep and ingrained into organizations that I didn't know about, and that community organizing, which is what I've been doing for a long time, incorporates all of this science, and if I had known about it earlier, I think I could have been a much more effective community organizer.
I think the highlight's always people, actually. There's always such a high energy in the room, and the way that they've designed the conference so that if you're just starting out in networks or you're like us and sort of 5 years in, there's always something you can take away. There's always people who are like-minded, who are struggling with the same things. It might be a completely different network, completely different field, completely different country, but the energy that's created through talking this stuff through with people who are interested is huge.